How to see someone's close friends list on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in into your device. Once you're in here, you can easily set yourself a close friend. When you set a close friend, you'll be setting a list of friends that can only view your story. And this list of friends are not shared with anyone else but you. So that is the same for others as well. If you want to check someone else's close friend, you will not be able to do so due to the privacy and safety settings of Instagram. However, you can know if you are added on someone's Instagram close friend by checking on their story. If they have a green ring story, that means you are added in their close friend. And there is nothing that you can do to check out others' close friend list. Now, if you do not have the close friend list option for you, you can check out the help and support of Instagram. If not, the easiest is to check for the update of Instagram. You can do this easily from Play Store, or if you are using an iOS device, check on your App Store. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.